Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the PayPal app. So, let's get started. First of all, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. Once you are in, tap the search button in the bottom right corner. In the search bar at the top, type PayPal and hit search. You'll see the official PayPal app by PayPal Mobile. Tap on it and hit the install button. Now, wait for the download to finish. After the app is installed, you will see an open button. Tap that to launch the PayPal app. Now, if you already have an account, you can log in using your email and password. If you are new to PayPal, simply tap on sign up and follow these steps to create your account. Once you are in, you can start sending or receiving money, linking your bank account, and managing your payments right from your phone. And that's it. Now you know how to download the PayPal app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.